everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I wanted to do a home decor haul because as you guys know I have been preparing to do a guest room makeover video, which I will be working on that 2 weeks from now. So then I don't know, maybe like in 3 weeks the video will go up. I'm not really sure yet, but I have been buying a lot of like home decor stuff and like a rug and all that fun stuff. So I wanted to show you guys really quickly like everything that I've been getting and all that fun stuff. So without further ado, let's just jump right into the video. So I'm going to start off with IKEA. So from IKEA I did get like this hanging plant thing, and it comes in like a little black pot, but I did get this other one which looks like this. I really do love the pattern and the color of this one, and I just put it like this and I think it looks so cute. But this is going in my office room, I think, because I do also want to do like a office tour. So I don't know when I'm gonna be doing that, but I've been kind of preparing for that video also. So I did get that, and then next I did get these 3 little baskets which come in different sizes, and I thought this went so well with like the whole vibe that I'm going for, which is very like boho-ish. So I thought this looks so cute. I don't know what I'm gonna put inside them yet, but they're like for storage, but I'm kind of just using them for decoration. And from IKEA I also got these baskets, and it came in a set of 2. So I've mentioned this before, but I want to do like a little basket wall art thing, and so that's why I got these. I thought these went well with what I'm going for, which is, like I said, very boho and like very woody type, and the light browns and dark browns and stuff. So I think this will look really cute above the wall, like where the bed is gonna go. And then from TJ Maxx, I actually just came from there, I did get this other basket. So they're all gonna go kind of like this, and like I'm gonna keep buying more so they can have like a little cute pattern, but they're mostly gonna be like browns. But I thought this one was so adorable. I really do like the pattern on this one. This one was $16.99. I did just get this one. And then also from TJ Maxx I got this huge mirror thing. Oh my god. Okay, so I got this huge mirror which was, let's see, it was $24.99, and it looks like this. I think this is so adorable. I don't know exactly where this is gonna go just yet. Probably put it in the office, but I'm not really sure. I could put it in the guest room, but I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with it. But I do like the whole like wood and then the mirror. There were like 3 different types, but the other ones, the mirror was kind of a little bit smaller than this one. So I was like, you know what, let me just get this one since the mirror is a little bit bigger. And I do like the pattern of this one. And then also from TJ Maxx, I did get this pillow which is gonna go around the bed. So around the bed I want to do like pillows all around, kind of like a day bed. And this one was, let's see, it was $19.99. And like I've said before, I really want to go with like the whole browns and like whites and all that stuff. So I did get this one. I still have to go get more pillows. And then this isn't like home decor stuff, but I did buy my puppy a new bed because the one that we got for her from Amazon is a little bit too small now. So we got her this one, especially because she likes laying on like this gray pillow that we have. But we ended up just buying her one for herself. And I also did get a carpet from IKEA, and so it's light brown. It's kind of like a wool type of rug, and it's light brown. I'm gonna put that underneath, probably put another carpet on top. I'm not really sure yet, but I just have like this whole idea in my head on how the room is gonna look like and like where things are gonna go. So hopefully it turns out really well, because if not, I'm gonna be a little bit mad. Also from IKEA I did get a little like shelf thing, and I bought the 2 little like brown baskets, and this really ties my closet together. I just don't know where to put the shoes right now because I had them like on a rack thing, but it doesn't fit in the closet anymore, so I have to figure out where or what I'm gonna do with my shoes. But I think it looks so good, and like it just ties my closet all together, especially with the baskets that are like in the top shelf. And then from HomeGoods, when I went there like last week, I did get these pair of curtains which look like these. They're kind of white and have like a hint of brown, like you can tell that they're like light brown with like gold or something. So I did get these. I don't know what I'm gonna do with these yet. They might not go in the guest room. But yeah, that's pretty much everything for this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for this guest room makeover because I feel like it's gonna turn out really good, but we'll see. We are gonna be working on this project 2 weeks from now, so we have like the whole weekend to work on it. It's gonna be like a whole 24-hour thing, which we have to paint, we have to decorate and all that stuff. So next week is kind of like my last week to kind of go out and shop for stuff, and I did order a couple things online, which you guys will all see in that video, so stay tuned for that. Don't forget to subscribe down below and also like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.